So this is how the next tab should look. This is going to be a swipe gesture. And you can see that I've simply attached this narrow view here across the center like this. Actually, there's a view underneath that's brown, and there's this view on top that's white. In the white view, I've added a swipe gesture that detects a left and right gesture. So on the left swipe, it opens to expose the brown view underneath. You can imagine a label like delete or something like this underneath. And then when I swipe back, you see that it goes back. You don't need to worry about the these little animations, little bouncing animation, where it's not that important. What we want to do is get the logic down for this. So there's some things to bear in mind here. One of the things is that you might want to have a property that's a bool value that is like is named like open. So when this is in this position, it would be yes, and when it's in this position, it would be no. So that will help you in your logic. So basically, like the bottom view, you're going to add this directly to self.view, and the top view, or this white view, you're going to add that to the bottom view, the brown view. So when adding the top view, the white view, you want to make its coordinates relative to the brown view. The other thing is, like, think of the brown view as a container, and so what you want to do is you want to set clips to bounds on this brown view, so that way when this, basically when you change the center point of the white view on the swipe, it will clip it to the bounds here, so it looks as if it is kind of like, you know, a little drawer, as opposed to if it were kind of physically sliding off the back here, it might not look the same. Okay, so that's that. The other thing is this swipe gesture, you have to actually, to get the right and left gesture, you have to actually add two separate gestures, and you can give them the same selector. So you're gonna handle them in the same selector method, and then you're gonna check the parameter for the direction. And so you can write a switch statement there with like sender.direction, and then check for the left and the right direction. Okay, so that's about it. This is a pretty interesting one to do. Good luck.